Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about electric bike controller. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. And please watch this video to the end if you have electric bike or you have somebody who has electric bike. This is very important video. Don't skip. Now, electric bike controller is the one of the important components on electric bike. This controller is the one that receives power from the battery and transfers the power all on all part of the bikes. All right. Controller, some people call it brain box. I'll give you a sample of this controller. If you have small electric bike, like Spider bike and other bikes that has 48 volts 12 amps, this is electric bike controller you can use. Sometimes 48 volts, sometimes uh, 48 volts 12 amps and 20 amps electric bike. This controller is the one you can use for it. See? It comes with this controller, and you can find this controller under the seat of electric bike, under the back seat or under the driver seat, under the passenger seat or under the driver seat. You can find this controller. This controller is very important. But some people will say, if you spoil, how I go take fix am? If my bike spoil, how I go take fix am? It's very simple. Fixing this bike is very simple. You can learn it from this video, you can learn it from YouTube, and also if you are watching this video, please save it, because maybe tomorrow you have an electric bike, you will need it tomorrow. Just give it to any mechanic. The mechanic will watch this video and he will know what to do, okay, about replacing this one. If there's any issue with your controller, it's very simple to replace, like I said. So now let's go to the details. This controller is the one that is responsible. Some people call it brain box, receiving current from the battery and transferring current all part of the electric bike. It is the one that is responsible to control the bike sensors, like motor. All right, cut out the brake when we are speeding. Once you hold the brake, it will cut out power from the motor. The bike will slow down automatically. So this is the function of this controller. There are so many functions. I don't have much time to list the functions one by one. All right. So how do you know if there's a problem with the controller? Sometimes it has issue, but it's always once in a while. So how do you know? If the bike stopped working, all right, it just stopped working. It's not moving, but it's on. The problem can be the controller. I've made a video about this before. All right. And if the bike is jerking, like it will be jerking like this, okay? Jerking, the problem can be the controller. All right. So how do you know if the controller is the problem? Number one, you just have to, when it's connected, first check all the wires. Check all the wires from the battery to the controller. This is the battery wire to the controller. Check the battery wire. Maybe the battery is not supplying current to the controller, or the battery is low. It's not giving enough current to the controller to work with, or the controller is bad. So how to fix this? First, check all the wires. All the wires. Check whether all the wires are connected properly. Okay? Controller, this is the, just check every wire. Check all the wires. If the wires are connected properly, then you have to buy a controller and replace it. It's very simple. It's not expensive. How do you replace the controller? When you remove the old one, you bring the new one. All wires are same. There are few differences, but most of the wires are same. Every wire you remove from the old one, just plug it back with the new one. All right. Okay, let me show you now. This is the battery wire. This is the battery wire. This is the negative. This is the positive. That is the big red and the big black. As it is. Then this one is the ignition wire. This one connects to ignition key with this one. So when these two join, when the battery is connected, you join these two. The power automatically connects the controller and then transfers the power out of the controller. This is the ignition key. That's when you on the electric bike. Now, when you connect this one, okay, as it is, you see the same wire on your electric bike. The same wire is there. Sometimes you have to just unplug this one, and plug it back. Whereas unplug this one and plug this one to the one in the bike. Okay. But check the wire very well and see, make sure it is same plug. This one is big red, big black, and small red. It must be same with that one. Otherwise, if it's not same, you have to change the connection so that it will be same. Very simple. If it is same, just plug it directly. All right. This one is the motor wire. This is the motor wire. This wire is what you use to connect the motor. All right. This is very simple. This one is motor sensor wire. Okay. This is motor sensor wire. This wire is what also you connect to the motor. That one, it will help you to connect the wire. When you connect it, it will help the motor to sensor whether you are speeding or whether you are slowing down, whether you are changing your speed. This is sensor wire that controls the speed, makes the speed more and low, as sensor wire. So connect this wire to the motor. This is the motor wire. Okay. So, and this one, this is, I'm not sticking to wire now. Look at the many wires here now. Yeah, this is the motor wire. This one is the remote wire. This is the remote wire. Okay. This wire is for the remote. Okay. You connect the remote with this wire. It's very simple. This one, see the wire is almost done. This one is the gear wire, speed wire, 3-speed wire. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. This is the wire. You have to test each one, know the speed you are connecting. Okay. Sometimes you have the same socket, you plug it directly to the socket. It's simple. This one is accelerator wire, the throttle wire. The throttle wire and the brake wire is here. So this one, this red, green, and black is the throttle wire. You have to connect it directly to the throttle. Red, green, and black is for the throttle. Okay. Then this blue one is for the brake wire. Okay. You see blue one, it connects to the brake. When you catch the brake, the motor will cut off. This is the wire. Okay. See, we're almost finished. There's no problem. All these wires are on the bike. You just see it there. This wire is for you to, if you fix your controller and you accelerate it, it's moving backward. This is a reverse wire. This one can help you when you on your bike. You plug it, it will move front. You plug it, it will move back. This one is reverse wire. Okay. This one will help you to make it move back or front. That is reverse wire. Okay. So this wire is okay. This one is speed meter wire. This one is the wire that is showing you the meter of the speed. The speed meter wire. See, wire is almost finished. So this one also is brake light wire. When you have a brake light, okay, this is the wire that connects to your brake light. Some electric bike, they are like this, brake light wire. Okay, but this wire is, I think this is art. This is not usable. Though some electric bike they use it. This is for brake also, for brake sensor. All right. So this wire is very simple to connect. Okay, very simple to connect. It's the controller wire. Very simple to connect. So follow us, like, share. We'll teach you more about the electric bike. Today we want to talk about only this controller. So there are so many types of controllers. Some of them are very easy to fix. Like this one is a bigger one. This controller here is for big electric bike. This one is 60 volts, 60 to 48 volts controller. Okay, it's written there. You only see the voltage here. 48 to 60 volts. You see it here. My camera is not that clear to show. Okay, so this one is only for socket. This is the. If you come here, this place is the battery wire. This one is the battery. That's the one I showed you. Then this one is the controller wire. Okay, then this one you can plug the other things, accelerator, motor, and all on the bikes. Okay, and plug it here. It's very simple. This is a big controller. So this controller controls everything about the system. Okay, it controls the motor. When they receive wire from this, when the controller receives wire from this, it transfers it to the motor and to the accelerator. Okay, so follow us, like, share, save this video, and follow. Remember to follow us because you can't predict the future. You may need this video in the future. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. God bless. The Way Bikes, they're here for you anytime, any day. God bless.